Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Form B online. First, navigate to the official government website dedicated to online submissions. You will need to either create a new account or log in using your existing credentials. This ensures your information is secure and properly linked to your profile. Once logged in, carefully search for and select Form B from the list of available documents to begin the process. Now, let's move on to filling out the form itself. You'll need to accurately input all the necessary personal and financial details into the designated fields. Double-check every entry, as even a small error can cause significant delays in processing your Form B. Take your time to review each section thoroughly, ensuring all mandatory fields are completed before moving to the next step. Next, you'll likely need to attach supporting documents. Make sure you have all required files, such as identification or financial statements, ready in a digital format like PDF or JPEG. The system typically allows files up to 5 megabytes each. Carefully upload each document, ensuring they are clear and legible. Verify that every required attachment has been successfully added before finalizing your submission. Finally, it's time for a crucial last step: the comprehensive review. Go through every single field and uploaded document one more time to ensure absolute accuracy and completeness. Once you are completely confident that everything is correct, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation number. Please save this number carefully, as it is your proof of submission and essential for any future inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.